DODO Crypto Swap Platform Usage Experience. In this video, I'm sharing my experience using DODO, a decentralized crypto swap platform designed for users looking to trade tokens quickly and efficiently with minimal slippage. DODO's main selling point is its unique proactive market maker, PMM, algorithm, which aims to provide better liquidity and lower fees compared to traditional AMMs like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, DODO has something for everyone, offering features that cater to a wide range of users, from casual investors to professional crypto traders. DODO stands out with its low slippage, which is particularly useful in volatile markets where price differences can impact the profitability of trades. The PMM algorithm adjusts liquidity in real time based on supply and demand, ensuring that prices remain close to market rates. This means when you swap tokens, you're more likely to get the price you see without significant price shifts during the transaction. The platform supports a wide variety of tokens, so whether you're swapping stablecoins or altcoins, DODO provides ample options. Another impressive feature is its liquidity provision system. Users can provide liquidity to pools and earn rewards through DODO's liquidity mining programs. The process is relatively straightforward, allowing you to deposit your tokens into a pool and start earning rewards in DODO's native token, DODO. Additionally, DODO's integration with other DeFi protocols means that you can easily trade and interact with different decentralized finance ecosystems. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which makes navigating the platform simple, even for newcomers. I particularly like how DODO displays gas fees up front, so you know exactly what you're paying before confirming a transaction. The platform also has a native governance token, which allows holders to participate in decision-making processes, adding a layer of decentralization to its operations. Overall, DODO provides a seamless and efficient crypto trading experience with its unique PMM algorithm, low slippage, and user-centric features. If you're looking for a decentralized platform that offers faster transactions with better liquidity, DODO is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the platform's robust features ensure that you'll have a smooth experience every time you trade.